Hello everyone, guys. Some people basically be focusing on many kind of recipes, this, that, rice, beans, this, that. But I tell you that there are some things you're gonna take as your recipe, which gonna also benefit you. It's not all the time you be going for kitchen cooking. Yeah, it's not every time you be cooking. There are some things you can eat which gonna benefit you. It's normal you enter kitchen every day. So what are they? Guys, I have this cake for you. This cake as in is already made, but I just want to show some people that don't know what to take on their daily basis and don't know how to slice their cake to get it. Because the way you slice and present your things gonna attract you to keep eating it more. And the kind of things to be eating, as I say, is no more you enter kitchen to cook every time. There are some slight snacks you can eat and you'll be well satisfied and well belly full. So if you never know how to cut your cake to make it look attractive, guys, this is for you. This video is for you. But everybody are eager to watch our videos. So we are on the process of cutting the cake, guys. So finish cutting it. So how will you go about to present it? So instead of you cut your cake and start eating it with hand standing up, guys, why can't you present it on the plate? Present it on the plate. When you put it in a nice plate, bring fork, settle down to eat it. So as I say, it's not only how to cook I'll be bringing up here. I will also be teaching you how to slice things and how to cut your cake, cut other things, and also present it in a nice way. So that when you want to eat it, you will eat it very, very well. You will have appetite to be eating it. Okay? Guys, as I said, you guys need to be eating. Guys, as I said, don't enter kitchen all the time. You need to be eating other things that can benefit you. So finish slicing our cakes and present it on this plate like this. Guys, I'm gonna also show you another thing you can use to eat your cake, guys, but be mindful of your sugar intake. That's also important. So guys, we finish putting our cake in a nice plate like this. So what else will we do? Guys, watch out. Please, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel and you are still contemplating or doubting, should I subscribe or should I turn up, please kindly do. If you really like what we are doing, God will bless you. Okay, without being said, guys, let's show you other things you're gonna use to to take your cake. What are they? So be watchful. I'm gonna mix yogurt and many different types of yogurt here. So I'm putting this one is yellowish color. Guys, I'm gonna also show you the whitish color which we're gonna also add on it. So stay very tuned. As I say, instead of you entering kitchen always, there are other things you can eat as your food. So there we go. Guys, you can use this in your break time or as at your lunch time. So guys, we're putting it in this tiny little plate, guys. So we're gonna bring another type to add on this. So stay very tuned. So the other one is yogurt. This is natural yogurt, guys. This natural yogurt, it doesn't come with sugar, so manage putting it here. And yeah, we are combining it, we are making it as smoothie. So watch us finish preparing this. And okay, so the next thing to add here is our groundnut. So we're gonna add our groundnut. Guys, we've already prepared our smoothie with different types of yogurt. Guys, are you guys there? Yes, we've already prepared it with different kinds of yogurt. So what else to add here is our, as I said, groundnut, or you can put cashew if you want to add it nut. So we've managed bringing our groundnut to add on it before we put our final stuffs, which is our which is our which is our cream. Guys, we just want to use this cream to decorate the up. Just want to use the cream to decorate the up. So this is how you're gonna prepare this, and this is how you're gonna prepare this, and use it for your cake. Okay, guys, let me know other things you usually go about using to eat your cake. So we made our, it's true that we didn't show how we make our cake here, but guys, but we've already prepared the smoothie for you with the ice cream on top. So this is how you're gonna be preparing it. As you can see, what did I combine? I combined two different yogurts and put my groundnut. After putting my groundnut, I then put the ice on top. So guys, after presenting it, guys, look at the final result of what we prepare. Guys, what did you think? Have you managed using this as a food even when you don't want to enter kitchen to cook? Can this benefit you as a food on your daily basis? As for me, yes, of course, anytime I don't want to enter kitchen, this is the kind of things I eat and I feel well food. Guys, but be mindful of sugar intake. I repeat, don't just be taking it often. Guys, let me know what you think. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.